Hey everybody, ChatGPT and other LLMs are super powerful, but their real value is unlocked when you can eliminate hallucinations. This allows you to fully automate workflows and provide your generations as a service. So how do we do that? There's a few methods. You could train your own model on a proprietary dataset. Training is getting easier and cheaper by the day, but creating your own dataset is still hard. But this strategy doesn't require any special prompting. Fine-tuning a model is similar to training a model, except that it requires a much smaller data set. Or you could use a prompting strategy. For this exercise, I'm going to turn ChatGPT into a color-to-hexcode-converter-bot. You can see with just a basic prompt, it gives a random shade of the color I asked for. Let's compare it to using 3 different prompting strategies. The first is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. This strategy uses static data to prompt your model to choose a real-world option. Instead of drawing on its training or fine-tuning data, we put all possible answers right into the prompt. You can use a scraper, CSV file, or database as your data source. A common technique is to use a vector database to perform a semantic search on keywords extracted from a user prompt. One thing to keep in mind with this model is that if you want an answer that's not predefined, it's going to have a difficulty giving you that answer. You can see asking it about the color purple, which is not in the data set, provides another random shade of the color we asked for. The second strategy is called chain of thought. This has gotten pretty popular as well. Basically, this uses an end-shot prompt, which gives the model an understanding of how we want it to respond. By breaking down logical steps in reaching an answer, the model is able to do 2 things. First, it gives the user visibility into its reasoning, and second, improves reasoning. The benefits of this are that you don't need to set up and curate a data source alongside your model. Just prompt and go. The last strategy is chain of verification. This sounds a bit like chain of thought, except instead of just asking the model to explain its reasoning, we ask it to validate its outputs. So to test this, let's take the outputs from the chain of thought prompt that we did earlier and try to validate the output. So I'm going to start a new chat, and we can ask it, what Roy G. Biv color is the hex code that was generated? And you see it says it's a shade of purple. Thanks, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons and follow me on my socials. Thanks.